Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to access Google the cloud from TikTok from the CapCut. So if you are facing that you are uploading any videos to CapCut cloud and then you couldn't find your cloud, first you have to make sure you already log on into the right account. So this is my account. Make sure you already log on, and then you go to the edit, and then here you can see there is an option of cloud. You just click that cloud, it will redirect into your folders. See, this is the folders that, because I'm using the free one, this is only 500 megabytes of space, and then it should be really easy to you to find and look up what the video you already uploaded to the cloud. Okay, that's it. That's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you subscribe our channel, thank you for watching. Bye.